is just perfect. But you shouldn't buy something like this. Hi everyone, this is harpist Tina from Harpitree. You've just decided to learn the harp. I can guarantee that's one of the best decisions you ever made in your life. First of all, you need to get a harp. In this video, I'm going to show you a few different options that are perfect for beginners like you. The smallest harp that I recommend is 19-string harp, and it doesn't have to be a levered harp. Small as this is just perfect. So this one is a warning harp, 19-string, and it's actually made with the cardboard. It comes in a harp kit, so with the cut soundboard and few wooden pieces and strings and pins are coming along together, and you can paint by yourself and assemble by yourself. The whole process of making this harp is really fun. This one has 19 strings. For my harp course, it needs to have the lower G here. So middle C is starting from here, so we need another extra B, A, G, 3 more strings here. The lower G going all the way up to high G. So this is out of tune, I didn't tune it, but this is very small and it's quite affordable price. But the sound of it is pretty good, and I actually use this one for the kids course or the little ones like 5 years old because it's quite light. It's quite amazing how the harp with the soundboard makes the sound. So this is really a budget harp, but extra labor is required. But Dr. Warning, who's inventor of this harp, can build a harp for you if you pay a little extra. So this is the basic harp that I recommend. If you still want a small version of the harp, want to have decent wooden made harp, I recommend harpsicle-harp. So this harp is made by Reese Harp. For the left harp, it's quite lightweight, but not light as the Warring harp. You can see the full levers, but this is not necessary to join my beginner harp course. You can choose the non-lever harp, which is pretty affordable price. So for my course, it doesn't go anything other than the C major. But so either harpsicle harp or full sickle harp is great option, and it has 26 string. So Warring harp was finished on here G, but it has the strings all the way to lower C here, bass C, and then the Warring harp stopped here, but we have extra a few more strings here, almost an octave here. So this is 26 string. Of course, you can spend a little bit more and just go for the full length harp like this. This is Lionhill Drake 34 string with the biocarbon strings. So Lionhill is one of the top brand in the world, and it can be considered the #1 harp brand in the world. It makes the lever harps and the pedal harps, all the beautiful ones, golden ones, carved ones, very expensive one. But this one can be a good student and also professional. But it has the full length of the soundboard, and it comes with a few extra legs, so you can elevate the height to adjust to the height. Even for the adults, small kids like young as 5 years old, this is perfect, and it lasts long. That you can go to the very advanced level with this size of the harp. The 34 string is the minimum, the harp size from the grade 3 in ABRSM, and it can progress all the way up to grade 8, which is the highest grade in ABRSM. that it can go all the way down to the lower bass, and you have a really nice rich bass sound. But again, in order to join the harp chords, you don't need all the lower strings. So the lowest string that you go will be this C here, so you have extra 1 octave here. But you shouldn't buy something like this baby 12-string harp. This is our house brand 12-string baby harp, but 12-string is a little too small to start with anything. Of course, if it is for a toy, you are not actually learning it, but you just want to have some fun, that's okay. And I carved this one with the kiwi. I use this one as a display. You can practice with this one because it has a really good the width between the strings. Of course, if it is out of tune, you can tune it, you can play it, but the string that we have is really limited, and also the posture will be a little bit weird, and you might learn like bad habits on the postures and the arms and backs and everything. It can be fun to have as an extra the harp, but I don't recommend this one as your the serious learning, and even for the beginner harp course. I know it's very cute. Again, kiwi designed, the spirit of New Zealand. But yeah, here it's not even starting with C, it's starting from B somehow. But maybe it's tunable because we have the tuning pins here, and we have all the actual strings that I use for the like a bigger harp. But still, 2 little strings here, very limited. I don't know, maybe you can play Mary Had a Little Lamb here. I should play one day for you, but again, I use this one for the display more like a toy. It's just something to have a fun and a little nice piece to decorate in the harp studio or as a gift. Hope it helped for you to make a decision to get a new harp. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe the video and comment down below if you have any questions. Bye!